Now click publish. After publishing, open the product and see clean title, proper images, price, short description and stock status. Everything looks professional and perfectly set up. That's how easily you can add a simple product in WooCommerce. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. So first of all, open your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, click on products, then click add new. At the top, write your product title, keep it clear and simple. Below there, you will see the long description box. Here explain your product in detail. This description is important for SEO and customer trust. Now scroll down to product data. From the drop down, select simple product. This is used when your product has no variations like size or color. Now go to the General tab, enter regular price. If you want a discount, enter sale price. Pricing is important because it directly affects conversion and customer decision. Now look at the tax status. Select taxable if tax applies in your country. Tax class you can leave it default. Always follow your country tax rules. Click on the inventory tab, add your stock keeping unit. Check manage stock and enter stock quantity. For back orders, select do not allow. This avoids selling out of stock products. Now set low stock threshold. This helps WooCommerce notify you when stock is running low. Keep sold individually unchecked unless you want to sell only one item per order. Now scroll to product short description, write a short and catchy. On the right side, add product image. This is called the feature image. Then add gallery images for more product views. Good images increase trust and sales. Now select your product category. This helps organize your store and improves user experience. Everything looks good. Now click publish. After publishing, open the product and see clean title, proper images, price, short description and stock status. Everything looks professional and perfectly set up. That's how easily you can add a simple product in WooCommerce.